On guys, it's your boy CG Fix back at it with another video. So I am working on this Jeep Journey, and we have a pool of oil that's just flooded on top of the engine as I'm replacing the oil cooler filter housing thing, and we got to pump some fluid out of it. So we're gonna get to it. We're gonna show you how to use this gear and oil fluid pump from Pittsburgh. By the way, I'm not sponsored by them in any way possible, but if Pittsburgh sees this video, go ahead and give it a like, share, everything so they can see it. And maybe they'll sponsor me. I don't know. But we're going to get right to it. We're going to show you how to use this pump. And I'm going to show you how you can easily get something at the dollar store that does the same exact thing. Let's get right to the video. Here we are. Once I took the intake manifold out and took the cooler thing off this car, you can see there's just oil and coolant and crustiness and all types. So I first got to clean all this stuff up, all these leaves and everything, and then we're just gonna put this pump and do its work. What you're gonna need for this job obviously is the pump. You're gonna want to put it like in the deepest spot on the area or wherever you want to pump out, and it's really not that much it's common sense. It's not rocket science. And then this piece right here, you're gonna want to get a bottle and use this Napa, fluid and whatever this is, power steering right now. You're gonna want to stick this in there, and it clips right on there if you push it in there. And you just start pumping. You just start pumping. As you can see, the fluid goes through and it goes into the jug, just like that. Be like my shortest video ever on my YouTube channel, but that's basically how you use a pump. You can actually go to the dollar store, or even things at home that you have hairspray, whatever, anything that has a pump. It's the same concept. You're just pumping. So you see the fluid's going in from in there and it's coming out. The fluid is coming in from there and it's coming right out. If you guys want, I can go ahead and just do this real quick and then show you what it would look like after all that oil's gone. And as you see, the oil was up to my finger line right here. So let's see how much fluid we could take out. All right, that's looking 1000% a lot better. I'm still gonna touch up a little bit here, a little bit there, clean some of this stuff up right here. So if you learn anything in this video, hopefully Pittsburgh, they sponsor me. Make sure you guys check my channel. I do a lot of mechanic work. This would have been a nice YouTube video, but I didn't get time to record this whole process, so it is what it is.